How to log in to 4T Trader. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are learning how you can easily access your existing 4T Trader account using the 4T Trader app on your mobile device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open your 4T Trader application on your smartphone, and once you're inside this welcome screen, click on Login. On the next page, you'll need to enter your email address and the password associated with your account. Make sure to enter the same credentials that you previously created while signing up. Now click Login once you are done typing in your credential, and you'll be signed in to your 4T Trader account. So there you go, that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.